In this tutorial, we're going to be using a database called books.db. This can be downloaded from the bit.ly link bit.ly/ml-books. So I want to now show how to insert records using the insert operation. I'm going to start with insert, and we do insert into, and then we want to put it into the books table. And then we're going to put in the values that we want to put in. So we're going to put in a book called Boy, written by Roald Dahl. And he wrote that in 1984. So notice how I'm distinguishing strings from numeric values here with speech marks. So strings we need to put in speech marks, and numeric values we don't need to do that. That was published by Penguin, and that falls under autobiography as a genre. So in this instance, what I've done is I've put in every record, every attribute. So the values as well. So I also need to put in the book ID as well. That's important too. So that's going to be number 9. And I insert that. So insert into books values. Those are the values: the book ID, the title, the author, making sure that they're in the right order as well, the year published, the publisher, and the genre. So I'm going to finish that off with a semicolon, just that we're distinguishing the insert operation from the select operation underneath. So when we run the select operation, you can see that that book has been added. So let's run this now, and you can see now we've added the new record Boy to the table. Now it might be the case so you might have some details for the book, but not all of them. And in that case, what you need to do is you need to specify the fields that you actually have the values for. So let's start this again. So insert into books. Let's remove this. And for this book, I only have, or in this scenario, I only have the title of the book, the author, and the genre. I don't have access to the publisher or the other information that we need. So in that case, we need to specify the attributes that we have, and then we put in the values. So let's just do this on another line. Values, and then the values are now, so the first one here is going to be title. So the title is another book by Roald Dahl, the BFG, and then that's by Roald Dahl. Make sure you spell that correctly, Roald Dahl. And then the genre there is, well, it could be children or fantasy. So let's just keep it fantasy there. And then again, making sure we put a semicolon on the end there. And let's run this, and that should be added as a new record into the database. So there you go. It's even put in the book ID in automatically for us as well, which is really helpful. And notice here, for the year published and for the publishers, just put in null values. So now there are null values in our database because we didn't put those into the record.